Mutito-ini wa Njuki-ini gicigo-ini kia mbunge kia Mwea kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga nikuo gikundi kia aikari aria marigiceirie mutito uyu mahetwo kundu gwa kuriithiria thamaki na njuki nao magatungata mutito uyu na njira ya kuhanda miti. Akiaria hindi ya icera riake mutito-ini wa Njuki-ini murugamiri munene wa ruhonge rwa mititu guku bururi-ini Julius Kamau augite gitumi kinene gia kureka aikari a itura riri kurutira wira wao mutito-ini uyu ni gutigirira ni memathira uboco wao muthenya na njira cia urimi uyu wa thamaki na njuki nao makagitira mutito uyu.
Very good income generating activity for the Njuki West Community Forest Association, where we have supported them to invest in fish rearing. And I'm happy to say that I have toured the 4 pods. I have seen they have the tilapia, they have the catfish, and they even have the aesthetic.
Na niguo gutigirira andu aria makite mitito-ini ni mathama kama ugite ati no marathie na mbere na kumaruturura akiheana muhiano na mutito wa Mau kuria marikitie kwigwatira eka makiria ma 34,000 kuria andu marakite.
We have been able to reclaim about 14,000 hectares of Masai Mau. And that what we are doing today is that the people actually who are residing there and who moved out voluntarily, we also have gone ahead to engage them. And actually they are the ones supporting us in the restoration. And now we are going towards encouraging them to form a community forest association so that we can work together with them as partners to restore. Today as we speak, we have been able to do the issue of grazing. No grazing is happening there. Issues of irregularity and the natural regeneration is actually very, very positive. Within the next 4 or 5 years, Mau would have started regaining its own integrity with regard to conservation.
Gikundi giki kia aikari ni mathiete na mbere na gukungwira mweke mahetwo ni ruhonge ruru na makeranira ati mwena-ini wao ni mekuhanda miti mingi niguo gutigirira riri na ugemu wa mutito uyu ni wonekana.
Tunasaidia kuhifadhi msitu kwa njia ya kupanda miti kama babu. Hii ingine kufanya rehabilitation mahali msitu kulikuwa hakuna miti tukapanda hiyo, na ile ingine tukifanya hii mambo ya Paris tunaendelea kupanda.
Tuna project ya thamaki, tuna project ya njuki, tuna project ya botanic garden, tuna tubadiri boro wa ecotourism na mirandi hii to wana yakora wega piu ne tukubota kugana mbia na tubote kweka ma project maingi o tugetathagiria community ira twina we turigicerie.
Riu wa Kenya makiuria kuoya mweke ihinda riri icigo nyingi iramukira mbura na mahande miti.
Even now, without moratorium, if we don't manage our forest resources properly, would they be good? They will not be. So the issue is not even moratorium or no moratorium. It is us as Kenya Forest Service themselves, us ourselves, knowing that we must be able to do this for the good of the people and that we must be able to serve this country diligently. Moratorium or not, we must be able to have seedlings in our nurseries.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, njitagwo Wainaina wa Kierie.